Hey everyone, happy GIS Day. My name is Tia Marita. I'm a GIS specialist at LA County Public Works, and I have a short little announcement for you today about the LA County Equity GIS Hub, brought to you by the Department of Regional Planning, ISD, Public Works, and CEO. So let's move on if I can advance my slides. Okay. So diversity, equity, and inclusion. We've heard these words a lot over the last several years, but really, the idea of equity or the idea of equity as a value has really become fundamental to a lot of the work that we do for our organizations, or even organizations that we collaborate with, or even are even seeking funding from. So for example, in the last couple of years, the LA County Board of Supervisors has passed over a dozen different motions about equity. And so as GIS professionals, we've really seen how this has kind of shifted the kind of work that we are tasked to do and the different kinds of projects that we're working on. So a few of us wanted to initiate kind of this build of a equity hub as a way to respond cohesively to all of these different board motions that are coming out, enhance collaboration and communication between all the different departments so that we can avoid duplication of efforts, and also to provide a centralized location for data, maps, information, and all the different projects that we're working on to everybody out there in the public. So keep in mind, this is still in development. Again, it's coming in 2023, but I will show you a little bit of a demo of the hub as we are building it out right now. So 1 second. So hopefully you can see that. This is being built on top of Esri's hub technology, but we're also utilizing Experience Builder for those of you who are curious. So we'll have a landing page just to kind of highlight some important projects and maybe some data and different resources, and also, to provide feedback to us how to contact us if people have questions. We'll have a separate page strictly devoted to data, and this is really why we kind of went with the hub, so that we could kind of leverage the hub's open data platform. So for instance, people will be able to look at different data according to different topics. So if we clicked on technology, ideally folks would see equity related data. And in this case, you'll notice here, there's a lot of digital divide data. We'll have another page devoted to featuring different tools and apps by different departments. So here we have Public Works, some of the stuff that we're actually currently working on, regional planning, and many of the great different things that ISD is working on as well. So next is a resources page. So again, we're going to start collecting all of the different board motions that kind of are driving a lot of these projects and the data that we're collecting. And we'll start listing them out here. So there's a handful that we've put here for now, but there's many more. As well as we'll highlight different screening tools, either from the state or the feds, and other kinds of different data layers that people can access outside of LA County. And that is pretty much it for the hub. So if folks have any questions, or if you have ideas for how we can make it better, or things that we should consider as we're building it out, feel free to contact us. You can contact EGIS at egis.isd@lacounty.gov, or me. There's our emails, and that's it. Stay tuned for 2023. Thank you.